Ever wondered how you can efficiently and seamlessly share files, data, and other information with your customers, partners, and employees? Today, I'll be sharing some invaluable insights about how Salesforce Community Cloud can help you create a branded and mobile optimized portal, build closer business relationships, and transform your customer engagement. Salesforce Community Cloud is the ideal platform for success-driven enterprises to connect partners, employees, and customers. Using this platform, community members can build communities according to their specific requirements and provide stellar customer service, accelerate sales channels, and connect with the customers. Let us explore the Community Cloud from Salesforce that has revolutionized the world of business communities. In this video, we will learn everything about the Salesforce Community Cloud infrastructure and a service model overview of Community Cloud and the benefits and features of Community Cloud for business. Community Cloud is the social platform from Salesforce that is designed to effortlessly connect and facilitate communication among the employees, customers, and partners of an organization. It deploys the ChatterSocial CRM platform for Salesforce for screen sharing and chat and allows users to exchange images and data throughout an ongoing conversation in real time. Community Cloud supports CRM and offers channels for customers to easily find information and communicate with the world at large. Leverages the infrastructure as a service cloud computing model for allocating virtualized computing resources to the users via the internet. Leverage the flexible IaaS cloud computing model that is empowered by cloud storage and network capability that can be self-provisioned, metered, and available on demand, and facilitates automated deployment of servers, processing power, storage, and networking. Leverage the true potential of Salesforce communities that would act as the branded space for your employees, customers, and partners to connect. The best thing is that you can easily create and customize your communities to meet the specific requirements of your business. Thereafter, it is all for your business to experience the amazing benefits and a seamless transition between them. Let us now talk about the features of Community Cloud so that it becomes easy for you to disrupt the industry. Personalizations. Connections are automatically suggested to groups, experts, and content. These recommendations are based on individual needs, interests, and behaviors. This translates to deeper community participation. Customers can directly create cases in communities. That is helpful in providing immediate redressal on issues faced by them, leading to improved brand loyalty. Seamless integrations. User can create new purchasing opportunities by integrating e-commerce platform. This enables customers to discover, research, and purchase products, and also help on upsell. Let us now talk about some of the amazing benefits of Community Cloud. Empowers your customers to find solutions to their customer service issues. Increase the revenue stream of you and your partners through collaborations on opportunities and deals. Helps onboarding partners quickly by sharing content and training materials. And last but not the least, retains happier employees by resolving HR issues and facilitating quick onboarding. If you need any assistance or guidance related to Salesforce community setup, administration, consultancy, development, or implementation, the certified team of Community Cloud specialists at Cloud Analogy are always there to help you access the best solution and grow your business.